It's just another day at Atlas Tube. And all across America, mechanical and structural steel tubing is making its mark. In bridges, buildings, warehouses, for pilings, in agriculture, and for a host of demanding applications that require a truly unique structural support that's equal to the challenge, all while making a distinct and lasting impression. As part of the JMC Steel Group family of companies, Atlas Tube is the largest producer of structural and steel tubing in North America. But today is just another day at this Atlas Tube facility. So please take a moment to see how structural steel tubing is made and learn just how versatile and valuable hollow structural sections can be for your next project. At any one of our 4 North American state-of-the-art production facilities, the process stays virtually the same, and the results speak for themselves. Shipments of specifically formulated steel coils arrive daily via flatbed truck. Coils that are offloaded, quality checked, sorted, and distributed to specific manufacturing lines or mills, production lines that produce specific types of structural tubing. In this facility, 3 distinct mills operate simultaneously, producing, on average, nearly 4,500 tons of finished product every day. The steel coils are separated into distinct flat widths that form the basis for all structural steel tube. Separated flat steel is fed into a large accumulator to allow virtually continuous operation of a specific production line. The flat steel then begins a journey that will take it from initial shaping and forming, edge preparation, bending, and high-frequency induction welding to a remarkable series of squeeze stands and rollers that form the final round, rectangular, or square structural steel tube. Excess flash is removed, and the steel is cooled to reduce thermal shock. Ends are bandsawed to reduce burrs, and steel is ultrasonic tested for uniformity while in line. Structural tubes are cleaned, stenciled with a unique identifier, then sorted and stacked automatically on a banding table before being either stored or shipped directly out of the facility via flatbed truck. The entire process is computer controlled, and Atlas Tube utilizes a quick change system that produces the shortest rolling cycles in the industry. The end result? Versatile and strong structural steel support products that have excellent compression and support characteristics, superior torsional resistance, and greater strength-to-weight ratios when compared to traditional supports. Differences that lower shipping costs and speed up erection times. Plus, with finished edges and corners, flash removal, and available factory-applied coatings, structural steel and hollow structural sections from Atlas Tube are easy to work with on-site, ready to paint or fireproof. And that's still not all, because the added value of the Atlas Tube way of doing business has additional measurable advantages built right in.
Our primary market is non-residential construction, but we also feed either the agricultural market, piling, 16 round, 18, 20-inch round, fabricators, and we supply a lot of steel service centers. Epoxy coat is an epoxy primer that we apply to bundles that are already produced. It's used to coat the tubes for later processing. Weld fabrication, you can use water-based, solvent-based, or even powder-based paints for a finished coat. We offer that currently in colors from clear to gray, red, and black. We made the investment of the new cutoff. That gives us a better end finish for our product. It's a bandsaw finish. For a lot of the piling products that we produce, customers will bevel the end. That gives them a nice clean finish in order to do that added processing. For the bundling table, you have the benefit of better throughput. Quality of our product, we have operators checking the size and tolerance dimensions, crush tests and tensile tests, Sharpie impact tests, along with doing ultrasonic testing for piling products.
For construction and building applications that demand high strength and cost-effective value, for a reliable, ready-to-erect structural alternative to traditional wide-flange beams, for the industries that support America, power America, and move America, and for versatile, functional, and imaginative designs that make a memorable and lasting impression. Structural steel tubing from Atlas Tube delivers variety, speed, cost-effectiveness, quality, and strength, no matter what you're building next. For you, It's an exciting and creative time, and we stand ready to exceed your expectations. But for us, it's just another day at Atlas Tube.